Hey everyone, today I'm gonna make a really simple and quick pasta, which is fusilli, well, fried fusilli, or I'll just say fusilli goreng, pasta goreng. I don't know what I should title this video, but it's basically using this pasta. This is called spiral or fusilli pasta. I have boiled this, and then I have broccoli. What is this? Yellow bell pepper, cherry tomatoes, like 4 or 5. I don't remember. 1 bawang merah. That's 2 ulas bawang putih. 1 egg, 1 cheese, and a little bit, like a tablespoon of butter. Okay, we have Kicap, or that sauce, soybean sauce, sauce tiram, sauce tomato, Minyak or oil, a little bit of salt, possibly a little bit of this, like seasoning, and a little bit of putih or white pepper. So let's get started. On the pan is our oil. That's a little bit too much. I'm sorry. I guess that's enough. Alright, so we're gonna put our onions. The flavor is out. So I'm going to put garlic and just fry them a little bit until they're fragrant enough. And I'm going to put my broccoli. Little bit. Alright, so we're going to put our cherry tomatoes and bell peppers. Just gonna turn down the heat. Stir this. Okay, so I'm going to put my broccoli. Just fry them. Yep, until they're cooked. Alright, so it's been about 4 minutes or so. I'm going to put my 1 egg. I'm going to scramble it like that. Well, there is still oil. I'm going to do that. Alright, so we're going to just mix them all together. And the broccoli is almost cooked. Gosh, it smells so good. So we're going to wait a little bit until the broccoli kind of cooks a lot more. Alright, so I can see the broccoli already cooked. I'm going to put my pasta with a little bit of that pasta water. And I am going to mix them all together with the pasta. Oh my god, I'm so hungry and can't wait to eat this. Okay, so we are going to put our sauces. Starting with sauce tiram, or oyster sauce. Okay, that much only. And I'm going to put Kicap. That much only. Going to stir them. Alright, so I'm going to put my tomato sauce. Okay, so that's enough. I'm going to stir them well, so that all the sauces mixes together with the pasta. They're very well combined, so that the flavor would really lift. Okay, it smells really good right now. I'm so excited to eat it. Okay, next we're going to put a little bit of white pepper or putih. So at this point you can turn down the heat lower. So you can put your putih or white pepper. Yeah, that's pretty much. I'm gonna just stir them. And you can smell it if it needs salt. I'm just gonna put this much of salt. Alright. Alright, so we're just gonna stir them all together. Okay, I have turned off the heat. So the last step, I'm going to put my butter, 1 tablespoon of butter, or like less. I think like less than a tablespoon. I'm just gonna mix them, and I'm also gonna be putting 1 slice of cheese to add like a kind of like a little tiny cheesy flavor into this pasta goreng or fried pasta. We're just going to mix the cheese until it melts. So we're just going to do that. Alright, so the cheese has melted. I'm going to add a little bit more of salt because I have tasted it and it's not salty at all. Alright. So we're basically done. So pasta goreng is done. And with a little bit of twist, the cheese and the butter a little bit. So let's test it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's so good guys. So I just made pasta goreng real quick and it's so good. I was so hungry and I'm like, okay, cepat buat, and then alhamdulillah, it's really good. This is pasta goreng tapi I letak like 1 tablespoon of butter at the end and 1 slice of cheese. So ada twist lah sikit and it tastes so good. Alhamdulillah.